Good Friday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for November 7th, 2014. We're going to have some windy conditions around today. I think it's going to turn out to be a partly cloudy day for most areas, and you still could have some stray showers, a shower or two, across especially across northeastern PA, and then heading across northern New Jersey. May clip part of east central PA as well, but this might be a rain or snow shower when you get up in the Poconos. And here I'll show you on the NAM high-res future simulated radar. Here's 10 a.m. Here it is, just confined across northeast PA. Again, this is very light, not a big deal. But you see as it moves southeast here, heads towards across northeastern PA and toward northern New Jersey. You see these little specks of blue here. This is actually some of the higher elevations of the Poconos showing some snow mixing in. So I don't see that being an impossibility. But this is mainly going to be confined for these areas here across northeastern PA and northern New Jersey. So anywhere in here is where we're expecting the isolated showers to occur. Well, I would draw that too far south here. Anywhere in here. We're expecting those isolated showers to occur today. Again, it's going to be hit or miss. Not everywhere gets it. And then once we get later in the afternoon, this dries out and heads out of here. So it's the only place we're expecting that. And then it gets pretty chilly tonight here. Temperatures are going to be well below freezing, we think. Here is the 32-degree line that we're talking about, is going all the way down to just northwest of the Baltimore-Washington area here. Baltimore might get to 32. Philadelphia might get to 32. And then away from the coast, anywhere up here will be below 32. So you can have a hard freeze in those areas here. Philadelphia is going to be right on the cusp there of 32, and then south and east of there we're probably staying above 32, except some interior southeastern Jersey section. So it will be chilly tonight. Probably the coldest night we've had so far, as far as this fall. So going a little bit further in time here, back to the global models, and we're going to take this to. Actually, before I do that, here's the pressure gradient causing these winds today. This will just be mostly a midday deal, and then it'll start to die down mid to late afternoon, and it'll start to die down in the evening, I think. I could have some wind gusts as high as 40 miles per hour. So they will be increasing as we head towards midday, and then this afternoon we'll have these winds and then start decreasing in the evening, is what it's looking like. Going a little bit further yet, here's Saturday. Here's the high pressure sitting right to our south here, sitting right here. Beautiful day. It looks like on Saturday we'll be on the chilly side, but it will actually feel warmer on Saturday because you're not going to have the winds to deal with. So, it's going to be chilly today, and then it's going to be chilly tomorrow. The air temperature tomorrow might actually be a degree or two colder as far as air temperature is concerned, but it's going to feel warmer just because you don't have those winds. And then we go a little bit further here. We have another system moving off to our north here that's going to drag a cold front through our area. Now the models have backed off the idea of having precipitation in this area here. So we had left an isolated shower in some areas early on either Saturday night or very early Sunday, but it looks like Sunday's going to be okay now and mostly dry. Probably just call it mostly cloudy for Saturday night with just a very isolated chance of a shower further north, but looks like it's going to be a dry weekend for the most part. And then we're going to be dealing with actually the temperatures are going to increase here Monday and Tuesday, and a little bit anyway, and then we get that's ahead of this next cold front and system that's going to be moving through in the middle of next week. Again, this is going to have trouble producing precipitation. It's going to move up into New York State here, and this is the one that's going to be bringing the well below normal temperatures next week from Wednesday onward. So we'll keep an eye on this. Doesn't really seem to have much moisture with it, but just a few isolated showers here early on Wednesday. And then after that moves through, and temperatures just drop, and they're going to stay cold for a while. We are going to have you're going to hear some speculation about a system that's going in the next Friday to Saturday time frame. Some models do have something here, and I'll show you what this is. It's a little coastal system here, but the general idea so far has been to take this out to sea like this and too far away from our area. I know some of these models are showing some snow back here, but this is probably incorrect. And there's really no indications at this point that this is a definitive thing by any means. So we'll keep an eye on it. There are some favorable teleconnections in this time frame, so I would not be surprised to see some snow grace us in the 14th to 15th time frame. But it's a ways away yet, and it's too early to be talking about it. So I understand people are going to ask a million questions about it, but let's just try to relax a little bit. We'll have to deal with 1 week at a time here and let the models sort this out. Right now we're favoring a solution that takes this a little bit further, too far out to sea, kind of like the GFS has it here and the European model, just take this out here like this and just out to sea. We don't have any issues with any snowfall, but we'll see. It's still a week away, and a lot of things can change. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for November 7th, 2014. Have a great Friday.